In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. To do this, navigate to the Squarespace login page and input your details. If you're like many of us who use Google for everything, you'll be happy to know that you can simply click on Continue with Google to access your account seamlessly. This is a great way to save time and keep all your credentials safe and interconnected. Once you're logged in, the next step is finding your way to your website. This is usually on your dashboard. Click on the specific website where you want to create the form. It's still just a few easy clicks away and you'll soon be creating your form. After selecting your website, look for the Edit option. Now this is where the fun part begins. Clicking on Edit will allow you to make changes to your website, and it puts you in the driver's seat for customizing your pages and content exactly how you want them. Now that you're in editing mode, you need to add a form to your page. For this, you'll want to click on Add Block. The great thing about Squarespace is its simplicity and intuitiveness. Each block allows you to add different kinds of content, and it's designed to make your web page building experience as straightforward as possible. Once you click Add Block, you'll see various options that you can include on your website. Among the options, look for and click on Form. This option lets you create a variety of forms, whether you're looking to gather contact details, capture leads, or just keep in touch with your audience. Selecting the form option will give you a range of customizable fields. You can tailor these to fit the specific needs of your website or project. This flexibility is one of the reasons Squarespace remains popular for site builders, as it allows you to truly make your space your own. Once you've added your form block, take a moment to review the fields you've selected. Ensure the information you're requesting aligns with your goals. You might want to include fields such as name, email, and a message box depending on your requirements. It's important to think about the user experience here and ensure the form is neither too long nor too cumbersome to complete. In closing, creating a form in Squarespace is a simple yet powerful way to engage with your visitors. With your form set up in just these few quick steps, you're now ready to start collecting insights and data from your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Squarespace.